This is automatic wine bottle packaging production line. Diving nozzles help to reduce bubbles during filling liquids, which makes it suitable for foamy liquids. Designed with cap feeding component, it can arrange bottle caps, makes sure the production work be in order. Shrinkage capsules can be detected automatically and supplied in time, saving labor. With 3 high-quality wheels, it can bring excellent labeling effect without bubbles and folds. It can complete the whole set of wine bottle outer packaging production.